wonderful evening, ma'am. Oh, those look nice. Don't mind if I do. Welcome to Club NI. And who do we have here?
Mary, Mallon. You probably never heard of me. I'm not exactly a crowd pleaser.
Oh, come on now. I'm sure you've done something to make us proud. What's your story?
No, I don't think I should bother.
Listen, Mary. You won't know until you give it a go.
I've done terrible things.
Right. Mary, why don't you just tell me what makes you famous? Nobody's perfect. It's not like you've killed anyone. Now, what did you do?
I was a household cook in New York for some families.
Nothing wrong with that. What happened next?
I infected scores of people with typhoid fever. Maybe more. They all died. I didn't know at the start. I carried the disease across the state. I wasn't sick. People around me were dying like flies. I tried to believe it was all a coincidence, so I went on the run, trying to get away from the authorities who wanted to put me in quarantine. I even attacked somebody with a fork. Eventually, they tracked me down and locked me away on my own for the rest of my life. That was me, Mary Mallon, AKA Typhoid Mary.